Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Howell of the Institute for Conscious Being, and I am joining you today to express to you some of the hidden value of the Enneagram. That value is discovered in not only understanding what our personality type may be, but in understanding more of who we really are, our true self, instead of our false self or personality. Join me as we discuss the hidden value of the Enneagram. You may have listened to our last YouTube video that explained very briefly the 9 types of personalities that the Enneagram delineates. Which one of those 9 personalities do you, in a broad sense, fit into? Do you say to the world, as number 1 does, I am right, as number 2 does, I am helpful, as number 3 does, I am successful, as number 4 does, I am unique, as number 5 does, I am wise, as number 6 does, I am loyal, as number 7 does, I am happy, as number 8 does, I am strong, or as number 9 does, I am peaceful. The Enneagram for many people stops there. They focus on their type that they discover, and they delve into all of the wonderful and not so wonderful parts of that type. The Enneagram for these people, in its richness, is totally missed. For the richness of the Enneagram is the spiritual map that it holds within it inherently, that gives us a way to move from our personality type, one of those 9 in that circle, to another type, again on that circle, who we were born as, but who we could not stay as in this world of conditioning human beings. This type that we were born as is our essence. What is essence, do you say? And how do we find it? Well, I have here a simple child's toy. It's a teddy bear of sorts, ragged and possibly used, hugged by many children, and possibly an object of love. If you had to say to yourself, what is the essence of this teddy bear, how would you answer that question? For me, as I look into the world of teddy bear, I see the outward covering, which is very soft. I see the eyes that have an enduring type of value, a broken nose, and kind of a worn look. But those are merely the externals of this teddy bear. There is something deep within it that is almost undefinable. That's the essence of teddy bear. And if I were to really understand the essence of this teddy bear, I would say that there are 2 major words that would describe its core essence. And those 2 words would be security and affection. That is what teddy bear relates to me. What does teddy bear in its essence relate to you? For many people, they can understand the concept of essence when they think about their own childhood. They see the purity of their soul. They see their innocence. They see how they used to be before they had to place on themselves a protective covering to defend their tenderness, their vulnerability to the world. When you are distilled down to your real inner core, what is it that basically captures who you really are. Not your ego covering, not your false self that is one of those personalities around the wheel of the Enneagram. But what is that almost indefinable, quintessential aspect of your being? Wouldn't it be wonderful if you could discover it, find it, live it? How do we find our essence? We go with the Enneagram's spiritual map. We look at the arrows regarding our type. And the next time we meet, we will speak about the arrow and its significance in finding our true selves, in releasing ourselves from the sometimes smothering personality that we have had to adopt called our ego or our false self. I wish that you would join me next time in the journey from ego to essence as we learn once more how to make friends with our soul.